Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a used 2018 Nissan Titan XD magnetic black metallic paint with a black interior. Under the hood you have a 5.6 liter V8 engine paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated and cooling seats with heated steering wheel, power rear sliding window, blind zone alert, parking sensors, built-in navigation, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that black finish on the door panel, as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage and cup holder on the bottom of the door panel. Power windows, mirrors, and locks with memory settings for the driver's seat and mirrors. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you'll find your interior and exterior lighting controls, as well as a few others, including your cargo lamp and hill descent control there. Power controls on the side of the steering column to adjust the steering. Black leather seating with the Pro 4X etching at the top on the side. Power controls and lumbar support located on the side. Stepping inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find your source controls as well as steering wheel audio controls and voice recognition. While on the right, you will find your cruise control settings. In front of you, you have your driver information screen there. You also have your speedometer and RPM meter, as well as your gas gauge. The entertainment screen in the center has your audio. This will be Sirius XM, AM and FM radio, CD player, auxiliary outlet, navigation, as well as the map on the left, and several other controls for the screen itself on the right. Touchscreen, as well as the volume dial and tuner dials on either side. Dual zone climate control. This has your temperature gauge, your fan speed, as well as air conditioning controls. A little further below, you'll find a few more controls, including your parking sensor, side blind zone alert, as well as your heated steering wheel. You have your trailer brake controller and a few outlets for you to use. You have the turn dials for your heated and cooling seats, as well as a storage compartment in between. Dual cup holder, storage compartment in the center, lots of room for anything you want to store in there. Center console opens up, deep storage, lots of room to store anything you need to, as well as an outlet for you to use, and bucket storage on top that you can remove for even more storage space there. Up top, you have your rear view mirror with built-in preset garage door openers. The power controls for your rear sliding window is on the roof, next to a couple of interior lighting controls and the sunglasses holder at the front. Just in front of the passenger, you'll find the glove box, which quite spacious, lots of room for anything you might need to store in there. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that magnetic black metallic paint, chrome Nissan logo in the center of a black grille, black front recovery hooks along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with Nissan center caps, black mirror caps with integrated turn signal and blind zone alert at the front. You can see that there. Matte black door handles with keyless entry. You also have assist steps that run along the side of the vehicle. Further look at the back, you have your chrome Titan XD and chrome 4X nameplates at each corner, as well as the chrome Nissan logo in the center. Go ahead and open up the tailgate. Lots of room in the back, cargo tie-down locations at each corner. You have a small storage compartment on either side here as well. You also have the tonneau cover. When you're all done, the assist makes it super easy to close the tailgate when you're all done. Finally, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same black finish you had in the front with storage on the bottom of the door panel. Magazine holders on the backs of the seats. The same black leather seating that you had in the front. The center folds down for 2 cup holders in addition to the 2 that you have at the back of the center console for your rear passengers. The seats fold up super easily. This gives you access to your under seat storage. You just fold that up, and the seat folds down just as easily when you pull the handle here. On the back of the center console, you'll find a couple air vents, as well as the rear heated seat controls and a 3-prong outlet for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a used 2018 Nissan Titan XD. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.